How to link focus to a lock screen in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on focus. After clicking on focus, then you can see the option do not disturb personal, and select focus and then click on choose lock screen, and here you can choose your lock screen where you select your focus. After that, click on done. Now go back and here you can use your sleep focus, then simply choose lock screen and here you can choose your lock screen focus and then click on done. So this is the way to link focus to a lock screen in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.